Hi guys, welcome to the Good Karma Brew Bar. Today I'm going to be brewing with my last pour over that I have on hand, and that's called a Kalita Wave. You can have a look at the bottom there. Oh, I want to move my grounds. This is the Kalita Wave server. Kalita is a company from Japan, believe it or not. They've been around for a long time. So this is like, well, let me push it down first. This is the 185 version. Believe it or not, there's an even smaller version available. So just like I did with all the other pour overs, I've leveled off the flat beds. I leveled off my coffee. I've tired my scale. I've been sticking to 21 grams of coffee, and I'm gonna go up to 3 times the amount, 63, and then I'm gonna stop for the bloom phase. So let's have a look. Off we go. Okay, so I just want to get it all wet as quick as possible. Oh, went a little over. A lot. Okay, I was looking at the wrong side there. Doesn't matter, we're good to go. You can go a little over, not a big deal. I'm gonna wait till about between 30 and 35 seconds. I think 30 seconds should be fine. And then I'm going to start pouring. Now with this particular one, you've got to be a little careful. It really helps to have a gooseneck kettle. It does have a tendency to clog if you're not careful, so you really had to stick to the middle. I don't know, you probably can't listen, but I can hear the drips going there now. I'm just gonna go 2 pours. I'll probably go 200, and then I'm gonna go take a break and stop. Look right there. 200. I'm gonna stop for about 15 seconds, maybe 10-15 seconds, or until this gets down about halfway. This is the slurry here, right? You want to keep that nice and warm inside there. Give that a little shake, and then I'm gonna go again. Now, you really shouldn't keep to the sides, but I keep saying it all the time. I just like to clean it up, and then I go right back to the middle again. So you can see how the advantage of having the gooseneck definitely helps, right? So once again, I've got my one eye on the pour over. Notice how I'm just going right inside, where I'm not moving a whole lot compared to what I've done on other pour overs. You gotta be a little gentle with this particular one. Can be a little fussy. 332, 4, 5, 6. Too bad you guys can't call out to me. See where I am here. 48 for 9. Boom, there you go, 350. Works a bit fast. We're about 203 now. I'm gonna wait probably 5-10 seconds, give it another little spin to shake it off the walls. And right about now, notice it has the ribbed filters. The Espro has ribbed filters. The Stag X, the fellow Stag XF, has ribbed filters. Those are the other 2 flat brewers. And the cone brewers, the V60 and the Chemix, had just the regular filters. Want to have this come just nice and flat at the very end. This is the drawdown, by the way, which will mean that I got as much of the water in contact with the grounds as possible. I think we're almost coming to the end here. Looking up about 248, about 3 minutes. And like I always say, this is my favorite part, when it just sucks them right down through. And that's it. Yeah, around 3 minutes. So that's the last of my pour overs, and look for another video soon. I'm gonna lay them all out and do a little comparison and talk about which pour overs might be good for what situations. Well, talk to you later on. Thanks.